Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make your very own Google Classroom to use in your everyday use. So first go to the 9 dots in the corner and scroll down or up. You should find Google Classroom. It should be there because, it should be there. So it's going to take you to this page. Press that plus sign in the corner. You can either join a class or create a class. We're creating a class. So read off of all that, but it's to make sure that you're not using it in a real school because you're probably going to use an account that is like for your personal. So now you can place in all of your information of your class. So I'm calling mine Miss Purple Flowers class, or YouTube class. I might as well put YouTube in it. Then for my section, I'm gonna put in YouTube, but I'm first gonna decide if I really want to do that actually. Subject, this is just gonna be an example. I'm not gonna really use this. I'm gonna delete the classroom after. And room, YT. Oops, YT. And yeah, I'm gonna put in section YT too. Let's create the classroom. So now we have our classroom, and now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you, this is where you can see the grades once you add students. And here how to add students, you can copy that invite link, or you can just type in a email or name and it should come up. I'm blurring this out for you guys, it's like information. You can also add other teachers the same exact way. So now this is classwork. I'm gonna make another YouTube video on how to assign classwork. So I'll be doing that next week. And here you can customize what you want, how you want your classroom to look like. You can choose different colors and select different themes. You can also upload a theme. I didn't show that, but you can upload a theme because it's actually going to be really cool, because then it can give you different color ideas. But these are some of the things that they have. I went with this really cool turquoise thing. So let's just look at all of these other different things. I really like the blue camping one. It actually looks really cool. I went with that. No wait, that. No wait, the phone one. Okay, we selected our class theme. Now we're going to choose the color. Turquoise on turquoise isn't good. Pink on turquoise looks kind of cool. So here you can decide to post announcements. I'm going to show that after, because here you can see different things, the information you placed in for your class. This is the class code. I'm blurring it out. It's like privacy. So here is the settings. You can turn on the invite codes or reset them. You can change the information. You can even add a class description. That's actually really cool. And here you can say, do you want students to post notifications or comments, or do you want it to be just the teachers? And here you can see if students can see different assignments posted. You can see if they want to see deleted items. And here we don't have access to a Meet link because we're not real teachers. Sad. If you are a real teacher, then you should be using your school account, because then you'll have access. And here you have your overall grades, and you can change it to total points or whatever you want. And make sure to save your things because it can delete. So now I'm gonna post my very first what is it called? Announcement to my class. So let's do that. So hi everyone. So I'm just showing you what different things you can do. Posting that. That's how you post it. And now you can upload files or just use Drive, add links or YouTube videos. You can do any one of those. And you can change it to bold, underline, or just clear the formatting, or even add it to a list. And you can decide how many students. If you have more students, then you'll show more things, more like people, but like, yeah, you can specify. And there's your announcement, your first announcement. And like I said, this is the class settings. That's pretty much it. So here you can see all your other classrooms. And you have set up your first Google Classroom or second or third or however many you have. So thanks for watching.